Building muscle is a complex process that goes beyond the simple act of working hard in the gym and maintaining a healthy diet. While it was previously believed that muscle damage, metabolic stress, and mechanical tension were the three primary mechanisms driving muscle growth, recent research has shed new light on our understanding of these processes. Let's begin by exploring the concept of muscle damage. Traditionally, it was widely accepted that experiencing muscle soreness and temporary swelling after a workout was an indication of muscle growth. However, emerging studies have revealed that these acute signs of damage do not directly contribute to muscle growth. Rather, muscle growth occurs during the recovery phase, when the muscles repair and adapt to the stressors imposed upon them during exercise. In light of these findings, the focus has shifted from deliberately causing excessive muscle damage to optimizing the recovery process. Adequate rest, nutrition, and overall lifestyle factors play crucial roles in allowing the muscles to repair and grow stronger. This realization challenges the notion that maximizing muscle damage should be the primary goal of a workout routine. Moving on to metabolic stress, it was previously believed that this buildup of chemical byproducts and the subsequent burning sensation experienced during intense exercise were key factors for muscle growth. However, recent research has shown that training methods emphasizing high metabolic stress, such as short rest periods and high repetition sets, may not be as effective for muscle growth as previously thought. In fact, longer rest periods and avoiding complete muscle fatigue have been shown to yield better results in terms of muscle hypertrophy. This shift in understanding suggests that the primary role of metabolic stress may be to stimulate other important processes, such as the release of growth factors and hormones that contribute to muscle growth. While metabolic stress still has its place in an effective training program, it should not be the sole focus when aiming to maximize muscle growth. On the other hand, mechanical tension has consistently emerged as the most critical driver of muscle growth. Mechanical tension refers to the force and strain placed on the muscles as they lengthen and contract under resistance during exercise. This tension activates molecular pathways within the muscle cells that signal the need for adaptation and growth. To generate greater mechanical tension, individuals are advised to focus on lifting heavier weights and utilizing a full range of motion during exercises. This approach ensures that the muscles are exposed to the necessary stimulus to promote growth. Progressive overload, which involves gradually increasing the resistance over time, is a fundamental principle in harnessing mechanical tension for optimal muscle growth. To optimize your workouts for muscle growth, here are 4 adjustments you should consider. Number 1. Prioritize progress over soreness. Instead of constantly changing exercises to induce soreness, focus on gradually increasing weight and reps on the same exercises as you get stronger. Number 2. Rest with purpose. Take sufficient rest between sets, aiming for at least 1.5 to 2 minutes, and longer for heavy compound movements. This allows for better recovery and maximizes mechanical tension in subsequent sets. Number 3. Maintain proper form. Avoid cutting reps short, control the weight on the eccentric phase, and avoid using momentum. Pay attention to proper form to ensure optimal mechanical tension on the muscles. Number 4. Develop the mind-muscle connection. Focus on consciously contracting the target muscle during each rep to enhance the feeling and activation of the muscle. This can lead to increased muscle growth, particularly in the upper body. By implementing these modifications into your workout routine, you can optimize your training for maximum muscle growth. Keep in mind that building muscle takes time and consistency, so remain patient and focus on maintaining proper technique throughout your journey. That's all for now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational information. Share it with your friends who might find it useful. Also, feel free to check out our other videos and playlists for more great content as well. And if you have any suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comments below.